What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode. Today we are going on a group run with the Vegas Overlanding group. We got about 6 rigs with us, and we're gonna head north towards Alamo and check out some petroglyphs, some alien things. Stay tuned. We got Lee in his Jeep right here, Jeff in the Ford, got Kyle in the 4Runner, Quinn in the Subi, and we got Lee and his family out in the Lexus. And we got John's rig. All right, so we just left Parangot Lake, and we are now making our way to our first petroglyph site of the day over at Ash Springs, which is about 15 minutes north. All right, guys, made it to Ash Springs petroglyph site. Whoops. No, it's a sign-in sheet. Oh, they're actually labeled. They got little markings here. Nothing crazy yet though, just some circles. These ones are definitely more vivid, look at that.
No, later on.
Down to the tree line and back.
There you go. Ash Springs petroglyph site. It's hot. It's definitely hot today. So we are now making our way to the Alien Research Center. Oh my gosh, when they stormed Area 51.
Due to the extreme heat, we have closed early. Sorry for any inconvenience.
Ah, womp womp. Bummer. It's because of the heat. We're at the edge of Area 51. So unfortunately the Alien Research Center is closed because of high heat. So that's pretty lame. So we're gonna continue on. Nice.
Flying saucers out there?
Oh my gosh, alien Trump.
Teriyaki, pepper and sweet spicy is the best.
So sadly, the Alien Research Facility was closed due to hot weather. So we ended up at this jerky place instead. I like how they have them like marked right here. Makes them easier to find. Yeah, look at that. It looks like a person.
Yeah.
Definitely better than the first site. These ones they're just so much more. Oh man, look at some of these. This is cool. There's a perfect sheep right here. All right, guys, so that was the Mount Irish Petroglyphs there. We're now making our way. We're gonna continue on the road towards an abandoned city of Logan, which is like, it's kind of like the remnants of an old city that used to be out here. So the road to get out here is pretty mild. It's really not too bad. We haven't aired down or anything, and there's a couple little washed out areas, but if you have two-wheel drive, you'll have no problems getting out here.
I got space to turn around here. I'll just turn around here and park.
All right, so Logan City used to be a mining camp back in the day. So that's this structure right here. Everybody got their tetanus shot?
We got the group.
All right, guys, made it to camp. Awesome view tonight. Everyone's getting set up now. Topper lift. So it came with everything you would need to just set it up, other than like your bed and stuff.
The app is separate. And
Yeah.
The system is the fabric, the actuators, and all the wiring and everything.
Oh, this is so awesome.
And it took me less than a day to install it.
Yeah.
And I had to
This is automatic too.
Yeah, I had to modify the deck system with a Sawzall in order to, because it mounts to the bed.
Yeah.
So I just cut out some grooves for the actuators.
Awesome. How you liking this setup, Alex?
Great.
Yeah? All right. We got some moonshine. It's gonna be on YouTube. So, hey, cheers, guys. Cheers. I don't know. I'm gonna shoot this.
That is a sipper. That's actually pretty nice.
That 100%.
Wow,
See that?
That's
that
amazing.
bourbon. Is that yours?
that's
Is that
not
bourbon over
bad.
there? I was just telling him about the
I'm getting a little spice from the jalapeno.
What is
It is,
Single
dude. It
bond?
says
a little
real.
spice.
It says
Bourbon
real
that they have there,
spice.
They actually contract.
I think the
out in
spices come
17.
from-
Oh, that's
Okay, so
good. All right, guys. We're just having a good time right now. Got a good group of people with us, so we're chilling, watching the sunset out here.
Get up, make some breakfast.
Yeah. There's no rush. There's no rush though, man. It's kind of like whenever anyone wakes up. We're never like really on a strict timeline. Yeah. Oh, that looks good.
A cooking spectacle.
Yeah.
They get a little carne asada.
Okay.
Not bad.
Yeah, it's good, man. We got some beef over here, so we're doing like some serious taco options right now.
It's a little salty, but it's good.
Okay.
I still haven't found that That was everything about Vegas, like Ninth Island. I'm like, play lunch all day. I'm not. No. I just like.
make a
listening
second
rules.
channel called Caden's Kitchen.
That's a
No,
good
I'm
idea.
not even kidding. You should actually
I could do a
that.
segment on my channel about it. You
prefer-
getting out of here?
Yeah, John and I are gonna head out.
Okay,
here in about
sounds good.
5 minutes or so.
All right. Yeah.
Just want to say thanks, man.
Yeah. No. Thank you. Thanks
That
for
was a lot
coming.
of fun.
Appreciate it.